Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Soundboard on Discord. So let's get started. So first of all, let's go here into our browser and go into voicemod.net as indicated right here. And because this is the application that we will be using for our soundboard on Discord. So to get voicemod, you simply need to click on this button right here, get voicemod for free. And after that, it would ask you to log into your account right here. You can do it by connecting your Facebook, your Discord, or your Google. And as you can see, it has automatically started for me because I already have done that. But in your case, you would need to do that. And after that, you just need to basically install voicemod. It's very easy. You just need to agree to the terms and some very simple steps. And after that, you're pretty much good to go. So let's just skip and go into the voicemod app already so that I could show you. Right here, let's open voicemod. Right there. Let's just wait for it to load. And by the way, before you go here, voicemod will ask you to connect your mic and your output device. So you might want to be very correct on that. You might want to double check that you are using the correct one. So from here, what we're going to do is go into the soundboard right here, and we have a lot of sounds right here available for you. We have the nuke alert, gong, selfie, and some other themes right here, prankster, a lot of this, EDM, voice box backgrounds, lo-fi vibes, retro games, and so much more that you could use right here. So how do we connect this to Discord? Well, simply go into your Discord app. And from here, what you want to do is go into your user settings at the bottom left of my screen. Beside the name of your account and your profile picture, you want to tap on the gear icon, which is the user settings. And now what you want to do is go here into the voice and video right here. And from here in the input device, you want to make sure that you have the voice mod selected right here. This is very important, because this won't work if you didn't select this in your input device. And for the output, you don't need to touch anything. You don't need to choose voice mode here. Actually, you should not, because this would just mess up your soundboard. And now let's go and scroll, because there are things that we need to inactivate. Like for this one, in the input sensitivity, the default one would be like this. So if your setting is like this, then you would want to disable it and you want to adjust it right here. But what I recommend is just like this one, the default one, which is minus 60 or negative 60 decibels. This is just about right. And then you want to scroll down again and you want to go into the noise cancelling, the noise suppression right here, and you want to set it to none because you don't want this messing up your sounds, because it will detect the sound as a background noise and it will mess it up. And after that, you can basically go and escape right there, and all you have to do is simply go hop on a call right there, and you can just go into your voice mod right here, and you can just activate all the sounds that you would like to activate, or you could just go in a call with somebody, or maybe in your voice channels. And that's basically it. And also, if you don't want to use the sounds anymore, and if you have a music that you don't know where it is coming from voice mode, and you don't know how to disable it, then this is the button for you. You use this button so that you could stop the sounds right here. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.